Hearty greetings to all my lovely stars of grade 3. We have finished learning lesson number 3 of English literature, that is Alice Adventures in Wonderland, written by Lewis Carroll. Now, as we have finished reading this lesson and we have also finished with the explanation part, okay, the story of a girl, Alice, who falls down through a tunnel after she follows a rabbit, and the adventure that she follows after falling down into the tunnel, where she struggles, growing tall, growing small, where she struggles with her height, and then finally she is swimming with a mouse in her own pool of tears, and then the whole lot of animals and birds, they swim to a shore. Okay, now we discuss with the comprehension part of this lesson. Okay, let's start with question number A. Choose the correct answer. Few options are given, A, B, C. You have to choose the correct answer and write in the blank that is provided. Okay, let's start with number 1. The two girls were sitting under option A tree in a park, a tree near a river, a tree beside a hut. Now let us see, where are the two girls sitting? Okay, see, you can see a pond. See, this is a river. They are sitting under a tree near a river, near a water body. Okay, the option is B. Okay, a tree near a river. Okay, I am just underlining the option. You have to copy this option in the blank. Okay, the first answer is the two girls were sitting under a tree near a river. Okay, next. Number 2. The rabbit was wearing a jacket and looking at an alarm clock, a wristwatch, a pocket watch. Okay, now the answer is option C, a pocket watch. Okay, this rabbit had a watch, okay, and he was holding that watch. It was meant to be kept in the pocket and he was looking at it. Okay, so the answer to the number 2, fill in the blanks, is C, a pocket watch. Okay, the rabbit was wearing a jacket and looking at a pocket watch. Okay, next, come to the next side, that is on page number 23. Okay, number 3. Let's start. Alice was not hurt because she fell on some dry leaves, sheets, mattresses. So what was there when she fell down from the tunnel? There were few dry leaves which were spread on the floor and she fell on it. So that was the reason why she was not hurt. So the answer is Alice was not hurt because she fell on some dry leaves. Okay, write this answer in the blank here. Okay, next, number 4. Alice found a tiny lying on the glass table. What did she find that was very tiny, very small? Was it a tiny jar? Was it a tiny box? Or was it a tiny key? Key to the smallest, tiniest door. Do you remember that? See, I will show you. What did she find on the table? See, the tiny key. Okay. Did she She found this on the table when she was struggling to open the door. The tiniest door, when she was trying to open this door, she noticed a tiny key on the table. Okay. So the answer is number 4. Answer is key. Alice found a tiny key lying on the glass table. Okay. Next. Number 5. Alice was swimming in the pool of hot water, cold water, tears. So what was the pool made up of? Her own tears. Alice was crying so much that she filled in a full pool of tears. Okay. So Alice was swimming in the pool of tears. Okay. Answer is option C. Now we move forward to question number B. Answer the questions. Number 1. What made Alice feel sleepy and stupid? So what was the reason why she was feeling sleepy? Because it was very hot. You remember both the sisters, they were sitting under the tree. The elder sister was reading. She was feeling sleepy. Yes, see, she is yawning here in this picture. Why? Because the heat, the hot day made me feel so sleepy and stupid. So the answer is, it was a hot day which made Alice feel sleepy and stupid. So let us read the question one more time. What made Alice feel sleepy and stupid? It was a hot day which made Alice feel sleepy and stupid. Okay, because of the heat. Okay, she was feeling tired and she was feeling sleepy. Okay, next, number 2. What was surprising about the rabbit? Was it a normal rabbit? No, it was very strange rabbit wearing a jacket and carrying a pocket watch, and it was speaking, it was talking too, and that too the rabbit was talking to itself. Okay, let's read the answer. The rabbit wore a jacket, carried a pocket watch and could talk too. Okay. What was surprising about the rabbit? The rabbit wore a jacket, carried a pocket watch and could talk too. Okay. This was a strange, surprising thing about the rabbit. Okay. Next. Number 3. Where did the rabbit enter? Where did the rabbit go? Yes, inside the rabbit hole. Inside a hole near at the base of the tree. There was a big hole at the base of the tree and the rabbit entered that hole. Okay. The rabbit entered a hole. Okay. The answer is, the rabbit entered a hole. Next. How small did she become when she drank the content from the small bottle? Okay. Now that bottle had a label and it was telling her to drink. That it was having some juice inside the bottle. There was some juice inside the bottle, and the bottle had the label instructing Alice to drink that juice from the bottle. Why? Because she wanted to go in through the small, tiniest door. Because of her size, she was not able to enter through the tiniest door. So the small bottle with the juice was instructing her to drink it. So it was very small. Yes or no? And after drinking that juice, she became What was her size? She became very small. Okay, how small? Let's read the answer. She became almost the size of the bottle. Both the bottle and Alice were of the same size. You can see both of them. See here, side by side. See here, same size. The bottle as well as Alice, both were of the same size. The bottle is lying near her and she is standing. See here, both are of the same size. So the answer is she became almost the size of the bottle. Okay, next. Number 5. What did she find inside the box that read "Eat me"? So one more packet she found that was also having a label, but this time the label instructed her to eat it, not to drink. The bottle had a label that instructed her to drink it because it had juice, and this box had something else. What was it? What did she find inside that box? She found a piece of cake and she started eating that cake. After eating that cake, what happened? She grew 9 feet tall. Can you imagine a small girl of your age growing 9 feet tall? Okay. She found a piece of cake. Okay. Next. So question number B is done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have discussed all the 5 answers. Okay. Next. Question number C. Read the lines and answer the questions. Okay. 3 lines are given and 3 sub questions are given. We'll discuss number 1 in this recording and 2 and 3 we will record in the subsequent this session. Okay. Next. It is so high, I can't climb it, and it is too slippery as well. So what was slippery and what was high? Can you tell me what was so high that I can't climb it? Who said this? Alice. She said to herself. And what was so high? The table, because she wanted. See, it is so high, I can't climb it, and it is too slippery as well. See, the table is very high. Before she was of the normal size, she was able to reach the top of the table. Once she shrunk to the smallest size, she couldn't reach the key that she forgot on the top of the table, and that was the reason why she wanted to climb, because it was a glass table. It was slippery also. Okay, let's read the first question. What is so high? What is so high? The table is high. Okay. What is so high? The table is high. Next. Why couldn't this speaker climb it? Now who is the speaker here? Alice. And she is speaking to whom? She is speaking to herself. Why couldn't she climb it? Because, see, Alice could not climb it because she had shrunk. Okay, now before shrinking, she was able to reach the top of the table. It was low to her, but after she shrunk, she could not climb it. Okay, the answer is Alice could not climb it because she had shrunk. Okay, next. What made it slippery? Why was the table slippery? I told you the glass material. The table was made up of glass, and because of the glass material, the table was slippery and she was not able to climb it. Okay, the answer is the glass material made it slippery. Okay, because of the glass material, the table was slippery, and because it was slippery, Alice could not climb it. She wanted to get the key that was on the top of the table, and with the help of that key, she wanted to open the tiniest door. because there was a lovely garden on the other side of the tiny door. Okay, that's all for today. Question number C1 we have finished in this session. Okay, start memorizing the answers. Happy learning and happy memorizing. Bye.